Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to scroll in order to find security. Now let's tap on the fingerprint. And basically this is the very first step of adding the fingerprint if you do not have the screen lock set. If you've got one, it will be just transferred to the proper step. If not, you have to do it right now, so simply add the pattern pin or password. It is because that if for some reason your fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the screen lock, so it's crucial. Let's tap on set screen lock, and of course you can pick the pattern pin or password, whatever. Okay, let's tap on next. Let me draw the pattern, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. We've got the lock screen notification content, so it's up to you, just mark the option and tap on done. And right here we've got the fingerprint section, so let's tap on add fingerprint. And here we've got the instructions, so we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button of this device on the right side. So let me do it, okay, let's just tap on next first of all. So let me put my finger on the sensor right now, and as you can see, we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully, and try to catch every corner and change the position of your finger, so your device will be able to catch it. And actually it's quite sensitive because it really catches the duplicates. So just take your time and really add your fingerprint. Alright, so we just successfully added the fingerprint. Let's tap on finish. And here we've got actually the fingerprint section again. We can manage the fingerprint. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. Just tap on it and decide what you want to do with that. You can view enrolled fingerprints, so basically the whole list of the fingerprints you've added. You can put particular fingers on the sensor and your device will show you which finger it is. You can add another, I believe, up to 5 different fingerprints. Here you can manage the fingerprint, so basically decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for: the unlock, screen lock, access app lock, and access X hide. You've got also more settings, so we've got some kind of scenes application. You can decide whether you want to use the fingerprint to accept the call or dismiss the alarm. And you can unlock with screen off, so you can either touch a sensor and your device will be unlocked, or you can press the power button to unlock with the finger you've recorded right here. So to be honest, this option at the top is much more comfortable. Alright, so let me lock the device and we will check if it is working. So let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.